Namaste. I'm making this video to explain the difference between genius and madness. These are very similar frequencies because a person who is a genius would also not be normal, whereas a mad person again will not be normal. However, simply by seeing a person as non-normal, you cannot decide whether he is a genius or whether he is mad, because a genius person would be positive and useful to humanity, whereas a mad person would be negative and harmful to humanity. So you have to focus on whether the action of the person is such that it brings positivity in your life in the long run, not in the short run. You have to focus on the long run, and if the person is positive in the long run, he is a genius. And if the person is negative in the long run and his solutions are such that are making you feel aimless and that are making you feel destructive, then there is madness. So you will know the distinction between genius and madness by observing the behavior of the person on whether he is trying to help you or he is trying to insult you and harm you only to glorify himself or herself. So a person who is basically trying to find faults with you all the time simply to feel better himself or to feel more justified himself is called mad. Whereas a person who is trying, who might be clumsy and who might be dropping things and who might be not fitting in everyday life, but the person is trying to find solutions to problems at a mass scale, global problems in ways which have never been thought earlier, such a person would be called a genius. So the basic difference is in intention and how you approach a problem. If there is more good feeling coming out of the way a person vibes, out of when a person lives, when a genius lives, some very difficult problems seem to get resolved on their own because the vibrations are good. Whereas if you live with a mad person, you seem to find problems in every situation, even if everything is good, because the vibration is negative. So basically it's a vibrational difference between their opposite ends of the probably the same pole. And the genius is always creative, whereas the mad person is always destructive. The genius is always goal oriented, whereas the mad person is aimless. He talks only for the sake of talking, for creating gossip and conversation. A genius will talk only when there is some solution coming out of his speech, and the mad person will talk for self-glory and for praising himself or herself. So basically, please be careful in making these distinctions, because you might be harming your children or snubbing your children or cutting their intuition and their genius simply by calling them mad. So fuel on when children are speaking positively and fuel their positive energies, because they might be giving you insights which you never thought of earlier. Thank you. I hope this helps in everyday life.